कैसे हो भाई लोगों यहाँ पे Rockstar के पुप्पे की गांड फट गई ladies and gentlemen we gotta talk about GTA 6 immediately okay because what the hell just happened where is trailer number 2 where is the GTA 6 trailer number 2 at people are talking about it some people are saying it's coming out on November the 22nd some people are saying it's coming out in December others are saying well your mama would know it better Bruh. I'm like damn man what is going on in the community like the video if you love your mama like the video if you want GTA 6 trailer number 2 dislike the video if you don't want it I want to know where you guys at let's hope that they're not gonna nerf the Lucia Brunda because I'll be worried man shout out to the homie Gilly Master
Everyone in the GTA community is wondering when we will be getting the second trailer for the long-awaited GTA 6. We are nearing that 1 year mark and haven't heard a word from Rockstar ever since that initial trailer last December, and we know the game is still on track for a fall 2025 release.
We think, not that we know. Of course, suckers have been saying, Rockstar have been saying that it's coming out fall 2025, but you never know, guys. You never know, man. These suckers can always delay it, though. So.
It's based on Take-Two's investor calls, but it's been a long time since we've heard anything from Rockstar themselves talking about the game. And so
it's been a year. It's been a year. I guess it's safe to say it's been more than just a very long time.
In this video, I want to go back and analyze the trailer patterns for the first couple of trailers for both GTA 5 and RDR2 to make an estimation of when we can expect the second trailer for GTA 6. So starting with GTA 5, way back in 2011, on October 26th, we got the announcement from Rockstar as to when the GTA 5 reveal trailer was going to...
I was in high school that day, I remember. Where were you when that happened?
Come out. And that date was November 2nd, 2011. Then the following year, on November 5th, 2012, they announced when the second trailer for GTA 5 would be coming out, and that was on November 14th, 2012. So from trailer 1 to trailer 2, there was a gap of a little over a year between the two. What? A bit more recent, though, is Red Dead Redemption 2. We saw the announcement for the first trailer for that game on October 18th, 2016, with the actual trailer releasing just a couple of days later on October 20th, 2016.
Pretty usual, yeah.
The second trailer for RDR2 came a bit earlier than GTA 5's in comparison on September 28th, 2017, and this is a gap of about a year's time between the first and the second trailer.
So this time it was a little bit early because they chose the Amazon overnight delivery. But see, the problem is that it was Rockstar behind the scenes that issued the Amazon overnight delivery. With Rockstar, overnight thing doesn't happen. If these suckers don't drop the trailer, man, I'm gonna come to Rockstar and I'm just gonna say, bah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like these suckers gotta drop. Of course, I'm joking around. I'm gonna say psych right now. I'm gonna say psych. But where is the trailer at? Where is the trailer at? I wanna see the trailer too. I definitely don't want to be looking like this when I see the trailer. I don't want to be like, I want to be happy when I look at the trailer. I don't want to be puzzled like the homie, but I want to definitely see the trailer, bro. Like, where is the trailer too? Suckers are beefing right now, but let's continue.
It's about 11 months. It is worth noting, however, that with RDR2, we did get a delay announcement between trailer 1 and trailer 2. That happened on May 22nd, 2017, where the game was delayed for the first time to spring 2018 from fall 2017. And that brings us to GTA 6, where we got word of the first trailer being released in December on November 8th, 2023, from a Rockstar tweet.
At this point, dog, like, where's that Orion Kurtaj guy? I'm talking about the guy that leaked the Lucia Brunda back in September of 2022. It's been more than 2 years, guys. Can you believe it? I know, like, some of you guys are now, like, looking like this here. I get it, fellas. I get it, man. It'll be like that, man. It'll be like that, man. We looking like this right now. Like, what? 2 years? You really? You for real? Deadass? Yes, guys, I'm deadass. Check your calendars. It's been more than 2 years, man. It's been more than 2 years. So where is that guy, bro? Can a brother perhaps see you like leak a little more though? I don't want like hours of gameplay, but maybe like 2 seconds, maybe like 10 seconds. Just, you know, it's gonna get the community booming once again. Because right now, man, suckers be falling asleep though.
However, they didn't actually give us a date on this tweet. They just said it early December. We didn't get a date until the very first day of December when they announced it was coming on December 5th, 2023. And ever since that point, we have heard nothing from Rockstar about GTA 6. No screenshots, no details, no delay announcements.
Yeah, no details, no Diddy.
They haven't said a word about the game since that initial trailer, which could be either a good thing or a bad thing. I think they're more so erring on the side of caution this time when it comes to any potential delays. I don't think they want a repeat of RDR2 where the game was delayed 2 times because investors aren't going to like that. And
guys, we recently had some gameplay leaks as well, the latest ones for GTA 6. Check out this video on the screen. I made a full video on it. Check it out, and I'll see you right there.